Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide chats in Viber application using your mobile device. If you want to keep a conversation private, then here is how to hide the chat. First of all, launch the Viber app on your phone and make sure that you're signed into your account. Now, scroll through the chat list and find the chat you want to hide. Swipe left on the chat and then click on Hide. This will then scan your Face ID, or Viber will ask you to set a 4-digit PIN if this is your first time hiding a chat. This PIN will be used to access all hidden chats later. Now after you do that, the chat is hidden. It will disappear from the main chat list and it can only be accessed using your Face ID or your PIN. If you want to access the hidden chat later, go to the search box at the top and then type down the name of the contact whose chat you hid, or you can also enter the 4-digit PIN when prompted. So that's how you can easily hide a chat in Viber. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.